Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen on your smartband, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm. You will see the message Do Not Disturb enabled, and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. If you go back to watch face, you also should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon on the watch face. That indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon, Do Not Disturb mode icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb disabled. The icon will go back to gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable the mode through the settings. So let's press the side button to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, find the option called Do Not Disturb and tap on it. And here we can turn on the mode by tapping on the switch under the all day to flick it on, like this. And you can turn it off by tapping on the switch again. You can also enable schedule for the Do Not Disturb mode. So basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically. To do it, enable the schedule option, tap on the check mark, then scroll down, tap on the start to set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on. So for example, I'm gonna set it to 11:30. Like this, and the end time to something like 6. Maybe 6:30. Okay, and then you're done. Basically, my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at 11:30 p.m. and turning off automatically at 6:30 a.m. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.